As a human, we focus on skipping, and as a Scrum Master, we avoid few events and ceremonies. Hi, this is Kumar Gaurav, and I bring you something amazing today. To stay till the end and hit the like button and comment something which I'll be asking you to do at the end of this video. And this is going to be really mind-blowing hack for the specially Scrum Masters who generally avoid few important 5 things. What are these 5 important things in terms of Agile and Scrum you must and must not forget to miss? Okay, so hi, I'm Kumar Gaurav and I serve for Guru Schools as a trainer. I come up from the 15 plus years of experience, worked in variety of roles starting from QA, BA, testing, test management, project coordination, and these all give me a huge amount of serving experience for people who are listening to these videos. So if you want to make a career and you would love this hack, I want you to do something at the end. But before that, let me tell you what all are 5 important hacks or 5 important mistakes generally Scrum Master do with some assumption. So what I'm going to do is that before I tell you that, I'm going to share my screen and I'll tell you what all these 5 important tips are, especially for you, which you are going to love really well. So here is the thing, and remember, before I share this, I want to remember this thing. If you are skipping this, it means you are avoiding this, and this is a task which generally you should do, and not doing but claiming that you know is equal to not knowing. And this is really a bigger statement. So remember, the very first one, as a Scrum Master, you should avoid doing that. Don't be a project manager. So most of the time, Scrum Master are given so much of the burden and they tend to start acting as a project manager. So remember, project manager is not Scrum Master. Scrum Master has the bigger responsibility. Remember to continue removing the impediments, and it could be one of the impediment if you are not removing this and focus on work as project manager. The second one is very important. Don't be a mediator between team and product owner, because it is said that, and it has been experienced, that because of the workload and releases after releases, Scrum Master tend to become a mediator, conversing and translating the communication between product owner as well as Scrum team, because this is not your core role as a Scrum Master. Product owner is also the part of the team. So understand its principle and value, which is very important. That's why it leads me towards the third one, is this, that not attending with Agile Manifesto. So you must adhere with Agile Manifesto, and if you are not following on this as a Scrum Master, boy, you are on a big risk, because this is very important aspect. And generally, what else people as a Scrum Master forget to do, and this is the fourth one. The fourth hack says that, and it has been experienced multiple times. As I said earlier, that you tend to skip something as a human, and as a Scrum Master, you must not tend to skip any of the stand-up calls. Generally, we avoid to make the continuous or consistent stand-up meetings, daily stand-ups. So generally we avoid that, just because we had done it yesterday, we would be doing with the assumption tomorrow, and so it's okay to skip it today. No, because you don't know what one event can bring a bigger insight for tomorrow for the project release, and that's why the fourth one is very important, and that's why the fifth one. So fifth one says that, and it has been observed that once a sprint is over, generally Scrum Master due to various reasons may tend to skip the retrospective meeting, and retrospective meeting is the milestone, is the biggest ceremony for any sprint closer. Okay, so remember that before getting into or transitioning into any further sprint, you must complete your retrospective meeting. So if you have loved this 5 hacks, and these are very, very important, this may sound simple. You may claim, oh, this is very simple and we must do it. We are knowing it. As I say, knowing and not doing is equal to not knowing, because it has been observed in the industry. These kind of normal mistakes as a Scrum Master people do, and this is not really Agile Scrum practice. So guys, if these are the things, and let me tell you before the closer that Guru Schools take your responsibility as a candidate. If you want to make your career, the 5 pillars, the 6 pillars are very, very important. And to know it, I want you, and in case you want to know completely that how Agile Scrum, or you want to get placed as a Scrum Master, I would highly recommend you hit the like button, subscribe and comment free introductory, so that you will be late towards the free introductory session of Agile Scrum, and you would love that. And further that, we promise we assure your placement in the industry if you are adhered by what we share with you, because people fail, system works, and we come up with system. We talk about Guru School system. Thank you so much. This is Kumar Gaurav from Guru School signing off, and we'll see you in our introductory session. And I'm again personally going to review your comments if you have done so. If you have not, do it and come back to our introductory session. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.